Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's check out the complete details of this amazing and rare coin of Pakistan. It is rare and you will never find this coin on the entire internet but coinbully.com. I have never seen or touched any coin like this one. It's very rare and very heavy in weight, and of course one of the most beautiful coin you will ever see. Faith, unity, discipline, Afwaj-E-Pakistan 1976, rare and most unbelievable coin of Pakistan. Why wait? Order now before it's gone. To order this coin or any other coin in our website, please visit coinbully.com, and also link of this rare coin is given below in the description as well. If you have any question in your mind, don't forget to comment or ask us in the email or WhatsApp us directly. Thank you.